So, how to end all problems of your life? So, yes, if you want to know answers for that, we have three different options here, and you need to select one option. So, yes, you need to select either one, two, or three, and you need to select that option intuitively. Okay, so yes, let's get started. Just in case if you chose option one, this card says a third party situation is rarely a party for long. So, in order to end all your life's problems, I think if your relationship is getting bothered by a third party situation, you need to confront this. You need to tell your partner to stop doing that, and if you are doing that, you need to stop doing it, because that is what is creating the major problems in your life. And once you deal with it, yes, your life will be better, your life will be peaceful. Just in case if you chose option number two, this card actually says break the silence and speak your truth. So there are certain truths that you know, but you're not speaking them, you're not confronting people and speaking the truth, which is actually leading to problems in your life. And sometimes people don't say the truth just because, yes, they don't want something drastic to happen, but this is what you need to do in order to remove all problems from your life. Just in case if you chose option number three, this card actually says you cannot run from yourself. Facts are facts, don't hide from the truth. So there are certain truths plus something about yourself. If there are some mistakes you have done, you cannot undo them. Yes, there are no erasers in life. So this card says you cannot run from yourself forever. So you need to stop running from yourself. You need to accept whatever you are. And this card says that don't hide from the truth. Once you do that, yes, you will be seeing that you will be able to get rid of all the problems in your life. Yes, problems also follow you when you're not accepting yourself, when you accept your life with all its glory. Yes, and with all the flaws that you have. See, nobody is perfect, you are not perfect, everybody else around you is not perfect. Once you learn to accept yourself, you will be seeing that all the problems, they just vanish from your life. So that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this video? Like and share this video. Subscribe, follow this channel, so that you can get more such videos, more such informative videos in your life. And if you want a reading from here forward, right, from how to remove your problems in detail after this video, yes, get in touch with me and we'll see how your life goes from there. Okay, bye bye.